how I transformed this closet from this to this. So over on this side,
let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pommy, yeah, say she give me pommy.
welcome everyone. Today we're doing a different closet. We are going to be doing coat closet, guys. This closet here is a disaster. The next name to this is a complete disaster. This is like a closet that is deserted in my house, but it's like a trash. It's like a dustbin. We put things, the kids put their shoes, everything, books, comforters, so many things are in this closet. So today, walk with me so that we can try to put this entire closet together. So let's get started. Everything. Look what we have here. I don't know what this is. Okay. Schoolwork. Mini pins. Eating trays. Who plays this? Chase, Monopoly. So most of these things are going to be going to the donation houses. This is Nintendo. Monopoly is still in the package, is still intact. So if it's sitting here, it means that no one is using it. I bought this coat for my mother-in-law about 4 years ago. The tag is still in it. She never wore them. That was when she visited here from Nigeria. She never wore it and it's still sitting in the closet. Going to Salvation Army. So hanging your clothes with white hangers opens up the closet. You can see the inside of this closet is a little bit darker, but when you hang your clothes with all uniform hangers, especially when it's white in a dark closet, it opens up the closet and makes it look a little bit bigger. So pay attention to this. Consider that when you're doing your own closet, to use one color of closet. In my bedroom, I use all brown because in my closet upstairs, I use all brown color because the closet was all white, so I needed the brown to tone it down. In here is darker color in here, so white opens up everything that you hang in there closet, making it a little bit more spacious and making it look a little bit more classy. So guys, I am sweating. It is past 3 hours. I've been trying to put this closet together. So let's jump right into what I did with this closet. Over on this side here are some of my winter shawls. So I folded my winter shawls and I put them in here. In this bag here, I put something to give away to a friend. That's what I have in here. In this basket here, let's bring this down. Ooh. So in this basket here are some my winter scarves, warm cashmeres, warm sweater scarves in this basket. That's what I have here. So I roll them up so it is easily accessible. I can see them by colors and by sizes. So that's what I put in here. Let's tuck it up. In these two baskets here, in here, this one is my winter heart, and over in here are So I put my winter hat in this one, and then I put my winter gloves in this basket, and I think it makes it easily accessible as well. So let's check out how I hang out my coats here. Starting from the inside are my winter coats. So I try to do them by colors. I put the black ones, winter jackets, and then I have my fall and spring jacket and sweater right here. I have some extra hangers for, and over here. So on this corner here, I have some shoes. These shoes here, I consider everyday shoes, like the boots, my everyday shoes, my slip-on, my boots, my gym shoes, my Converse, my sandals. I have some of them here, so it's easier for me to grab this, grab my jacket, and grab my scarf and my gloves to go. Over here, down here, I also have some self-purse for my guests because it's getting colder and you don't want people coming into the house with shoes, snows, salt, and all whatnot. So I pair them up in this small basket here. Let me lift it up. So yeah, so I put some of the self-purse in here. In these boxes here, still have some of the things that, so I left some boxes here to pack some of the things that needed to be in the boxes. So I was still able to come out with some of the bags that will be going to Salvation Army. This one is trash. This is going to Salvation Army. I also have another bag that will be going to Salvation Army. So can you guys imagine the kind of junk that was sitting behind this closet and how the junk that was sitting behind this closet? I am so happy that finally I made out time to really get into the closet and put them together. So guys, thank you guys so much. I am doing a whole lot of closet revamp. I still have 2 more closets in this house that I'm going to be working on the next video. So I still have 2 more closets, coat closets, that I will be working on. Yes, oh my God, this time, yes, that I'll be working on. So guys, let me know which one you like the most. If you missed the first video about the linen closet, please do go back there. What do you like about this closet? Tell me what you like about this closet. If you missed the first video, this small white basket I purchased from dollar store here in Toronto. I also got this one, and I have my spray. I don't forget to spray my clothes when they're hanging. This is fabric softener. I love to spray them, spray everything, and even spray them on the shoes. So guys, leave me your thoughts and your comments. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Stay tuned, subscribe, and turn on the notification button. Bye.